Hello people, I wanted to talk to you about an option called Place Working Pivot. Why I'm using this and how does this work? This can be useful when you want to quickly edit arm of your character. Maybe I will hide the image reference. For example, if you create model and you want to animate hand. For example, let's place a working pivot here. Place working pivot. You can either choose point or edge or polygon. This will allow you to place a gizmo in proper location. After that you can animate arm, but make sure you do the same with rotate and scale tool. For example, I was able to change position of my arm. Also, there is something like align working pivot. So you can align working pivot like that. Okay, I guess we'll move polygon. This can be useful when you edit polygon and when you have object in certain location in a different position. Now we have moved our arm because our object, for example arm, you can do the same place working pivot here and you can align working pivot. Don't forget to do the same when you select a scale object, place working pivot, and you can do the same with scale and align working pivot. 3ds Max is getting similar to Blender because we have got similar feature in Blender application. So if you want to scale your arm, you can still do that. It is getting easy for you to manipulate polygon if you work with polygons, but don't forget to do to switch between rotate and scale. When you switch to rotate, you have to do again place working pivot. When you switch to scale, you have to use again this option place working pivot and align working pivot, and the same with move tool. Let's check how this behaves. I will zoom in a little bit. You can also turn viewport clipping on. Viewport clipping. So you can zoom in a little bit further. What? Because if you increase viewport clipping, polygon will disappear. Okay, I have to do the same with this part of polygon. Align working pivot. I was thinking if I can do, I can only do like that. But you can still use the option here, edit working pivot. This option will allow you to change position of working pivot. Our gizmo will look like this, but Autodesk gave more advanced options. Why I did that? Because you can easily slide vertices if you select edge. Place working pivot. This detects edges, points, and polygons because this is new feature. They improved a little bit. I hope you like my video tutorial, and I will be going to the gym, and have a nice day, guys. Bye.